Among the rolling hills of Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Indiana, there exists a community that holds the art of simplicity and tradition in the highest regard. The Amish people, known for their peaceful way of life, have thrived for centuries by staying true to their faith, values, and their food. Today we embark on a journey into the heart of Amish life to explore one of their most cherished traditions, their cuisine. It's food made from scratch with love and passed down through generations. Food in Amish culture is not just about nourishment, it's about community, family, and faith. Every meal is an opportunity to gather together, share stories, and connect with one another. And while their kitchen may not have modern appliances, it's filled with timeless recipes and techniques that have been perfected over hundreds of years. Mealtimes in the Amish community are sacred. Here, in the simple warmth of an Amish home, food plays an integral role in bringing people together. But what makes Amish cooking so unique? Let's start by looking at some of their favorite dishes. Amish cuisine is hearty, simple, and made with local, seasonal ingredients. From freshly baked bread to savory casseroles, the food is prepared with the intention of providing sustenance, but also creating a sense of comfort and community. One of the staples is Amish bread, a soft, sweet, and slightly dense loaf that's often baked in large batches. Made from flour, sugar, and yeast, Amish bread is typically served at nearly every meal. It's not just a food item, it's a labor of love. And the process of baking bread is often done together with family, reinforcing the importance of togetherness in the Amish way of life. The food on an Amish table comes from the land. Amish people rely on the crops they grow, the animals they raise, and the fruits of their hard work. Their kitchens are filled with ingredients that are organic, fresh, and often grown right in their backyards. Potatoes, corn, carrots, beans, these are just a few of the vegetables that thrive in Amish gardens. And these vegetables make their way into dishes like Amish potato salad, which is a beloved side dish at any family gathering. But it's not just about what's grown. The Amish are also skilled in canning and preserving, making sure their food lasts through the colder months. Canning is a key part of Amish food preparation. It's a way to preserve the harvest, ensuring that fresh ingredients are available year-round. Many Amish families spend entire seasons picking, preserving, and preparing their food for the winter. Another staple of Amish cuisine is the iconic chicken pot pie. Simple, filling, and full of flavor, it's the perfect example of how Amish cooking makes the most out of basic ingredients. Chicken, potatoes, carrots, and a buttery, homemade crust come together to create a comforting dish that's both satisfying and nourishing. Then, there are the Amish cinnamon rolls. These sweet, sticky treats are a favorite dessert. Made with a rich dough, butter, sugar, and cinnamon, they're often served at Sunday gatherings or family reunions. And once they're baked to perfection, a creamy glaze is generously drizzled on top, making them irresistible. Food is not just a reflection of the Amish way of life, it's a way to honor their faith. Every meal is an opportunity to thank God for the food they've been provided, and to share that abundance with their community. Amish families often host potlucks, where everyone brings a dish to share. These gatherings are not only about food, they are about building relationships and strengthening the bonds of community. Though the Amish community is known for their traditional approach to cooking, many families are now exploring modern ways to preserve their food and expand their recipes. Some have adopted techniques like using a slow cooker or an electric mixer while still staying true to their principles. It's a beautiful balance of honoring tradition while allowing room for growth. At the heart of Amish cuisine lies more than just food, it's about connection. It's about faith, community, and the belief that every meal is a gift. These simple homemade dishes remind us that the greatest joys in life often come from the simplest things. And in the Amish kitchen, every recipe tells a story of tradition, family, and love. Thank you for joining us in exploring Amish cuisine. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the Amish way of life, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on future documentaries. Until next time, enjoy the simple things in life. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which Amish dish you'd like to try. Share this video with friends and family who love exploring different cultures, and join us next time as we continue our journey into the heart of Amish life.